Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all you are good. I am Tipu from here. I'm also good. So today we are going to do a new experiment with SIM800L and with ESP32. And in our previous video, we all cover how to set up SIM800L with ESP32 and how can send SMS and receive SMS. So I put this link in the description so you can see them also. And today we are going to do how to connect SIM800L to internet. Okay, so we are enable GPRS to connect our SIM module with to the internet, and today it's a simple program. We will connect to the NTP server, network time protocol server, and we will getting the internet time from NTP server. Okay, and we will print them. So this is a simple program and we will follow this process today. So first ESP32 initialization, then SIM800L setup, and so today we are going to follow this process. Okay, so first SIM800L initialization. After finish the SIM800L initialization setup, it will connect to the GPRS network, and then we will activate the GPRS. Okay, and then we will request the NTP server for getting the network time, and then we are going, and then we are getting back the time from NTP, and we'll receive the time and we'll set the time to our modem and ESP32, and then we'll print the timestamp, the Unix timestamp and the human readable date time. Okay, sometimes in our project we need timestamp, Unix timestamp, and sometimes we need to human readable time, date time. Okay, very simple. And the SIM800L and ESP32 circuit diagram is also I will put in the screen, and those are new to this video, so I suggest you first see my first two videos of how to set up SIM800L with ESP32 and the troubleshooting of SIM800L. Okay, then you will come back and you will run the code. Okay, so I will open the code right now. Okay, this is the code, and you already familiar with this code if you see my first two videos or three videos. And it is very simple. We have a config.h, there is all pin out, and we need to change this APN setting. Okay, my SIM provider give APN the internet, and you need to give the proper APN of your SIM card. Okay, so it is important, and we are declared the NTP server here, and you need also edit the offset hour. This is the UTC time zone. Okay, so in my here in Bangladesh we have a time zone is GMT plus 6, so we have 6, and if you want, okay, you need to know your time zone and you have to put this time zone here. Okay, and this is the time and the weekend, so we'll print the date and time and day also. And here nothing new, we just this. Okay, we will print, and here in this code nothing new, we just finish the setup of SIM800 initialization, and then we will connect to the GPRS from this using this method. Okay, like modem GPRS connect APN user password, and if it's connected then okay, and if not connected then we will restart the ESP again. And if GPRS is connected, then we'll print. It will time to sync with NTP, and this is the NTP server or NTP. This is the NTP server, and this is the time zone parameter we set earlier. Okay, so this is the simple code, and we will print here the date time like this format, and we will print time this format, and we will print the day with this format. Okay, so this there is a timestamp, so this get timestamp function work for to getting the Unix timestamp from this modem. Okay, so we will also need this timestamp for many of our project. So let's update the code. Okay, open serial monitor, and let's wait to initialize the modem. Okay, so GPRS connected, and you can see our modem is blinking faster, okay, in the screen. So if your modem is blinking like that faster, then it's connected to the internet. And you can see in our serial monitor we are getting the timestamp and the date time. Okay, so this is our code, and if you copy one of this timestamp and open Unix timestamp to date time, and if you paste this, and you can see this is the 23 July and 12:10 am. Okay, and I already apply +6, so I don't need, this is my actual time, so you can easily decode it. Okay, Unix timestamp. So our modem successfully connected with GPRS and internet, and we are successfully getting the data from NTP. So that's it today, and hope you will like my series. Please subscribe my channel for new update. Thank you.